Action Team is the organization that enables volunteerism here at Adobe. It encourages engagement with the community, and we think that it's really important, not only for how we feel about our company, but also how we feel about ourselves.
As an Adobe employee working on these pro bono projects, it's this opportunity to kind of engage in causes you care about or are interested in.
Being involved is one of our core values. It aligns perfectly with that core value when Adobe employees volunteer. In addition, it helps the communities that we live in and work in.
The benefit for the kids is quite profound because they are experiencing community members coming in here and sincerely caring about what they're working on.
My senior teachers, they are really fun. They like to tell us stories. They like doing projects with us.
They're more than just a teacher. They're like a personal friend.
Kids at a young age need to be exposed to creativity tools because it's a necessity. We can do amazing things now.
Getting into the mindset of not just being a user, but being a creator of things.
That's the power of code.
When it comes to the technologies, when it comes to the tools, you never know how people will use the technology that you create. Whether it's the artistic world or whether it's the law enforcement world, it's fascinating to see NCMEC apply technologies that are unreleased in ways that we don't necessarily anticipate to try and impact somebody's life in a positive way.
Adobe really encourages volunteer work and pro bono work, and having that support from a company is really important because it makes you feel free to do what's important to you.